The 24th ranked Texas Tech Red Raiders are now 1-5 in conference play after being swept in a doubleheader by the 17th ranked Baylor Bears by scores of 5-1 and 10-3. In Game 1, the Red Raiders could not muster much offensive production with Baylor star pitcher Whitney Canyon on the mound, who recorded her 16th win of the season while racking up 11 strikeouts. Canyon had a no-hitter going into the bottom of the 7th until Tech center fielder Mikey Kenny saved her team from the no-no by hitting one over the left field wall. In the final game of the doubleheader, the offensive production from Tech struggled again, managing to put up just 3 runs on the scoreboard. Baylor had no problem scoring, managing to put up 10 runs on 17 hits. Leading the way for Baylor was first baseman Holly Hull, as she went 2 for 4 from the plate with a double and a home run, accounting for 4 RBIs by the game's end. The Red Raiders will next travel to Ames, Iowa this upcoming weekend to take on the Iowa State Cyclones as they look to put a stop to their 3-game conference skid. With the Daily Toreador, this is Andrew Nepsund, signing off.